Today's actually my birthday, so I'm on my way to get myself a little breakfast treat. Can I get a big breakfast with hotcakes, please?
Alright, anything else?
Can I also get a mango pineapple smoothie?
There you go.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday to me. If you flip over to your stomach, it makes it way easier to stand up. While you're on your back, your heels just slip, but when you're on your stomach, your toes will bite in. Way easier, right? You'll get the rest of it. It'll come. Thank you.